Hi there, I'm Jeanette and I'm here with Papercraft Essentials editor Ria Claire. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
So excited to have you, and we're going to chat all about issue 169.
Yes.
And we're really excited about the gift included.
Yes, so with issue 169 you will receive the Hunky Dory All Things Bright and Beautiful Luxury Foiled Kit, which is made up of 62 papers, toppers, tags, inserts, everything that you need to create quick and easy cards.
Absolutely stunning. And can you show us what the design team made with this beautiful paper?
I can. So we've got two features using our Hunky Dory gift. The first feature is on page 15 and it is by Hunky Dory's Anne-Marie Catterall, which is really exciting. She made some cards for us and they are really, really pretty. They show all the different papers and toppers. There's some pink cards and some yellow cards. She's even made a little gift box to just show what you can do with it, which is really
adorable.
sweet. Also on page 85 we have more inspiration. This is more off the page inspiration by Laura Bradley. She's made a little bookmark which Jeanette's got here, it's really cute. She's made gift wrap, a little wall hanging, and she's also made got a frame and made a little decoration to put inside the frame that you can hang up in your home. Yes, lots of nice ideas, and there's also a step-by-step guide how to create the gift bag on page 88.
I also wanted to highlight that the foil toppers are die cut already, so you can just punch them out, which I feel is so helpful because you're fussy cut,
really easy,
get straight to craft.
You don't even need a die cutting machine to buy this magazine and use this gift, because you can just punch them out really quick and easy, and they make really nice cards.
Now there are off-the-page projects, masculine makes, brand new releases, so much in this magazine, but what are you most excited about?
So this issue I am most excited about Helen Griffin's new releases, which is on page 37. So this is using Helen's own Simply Made Crafts range, which is available on CraftStash. She's used the papers and the stamps from the Winter Nights range to make some really, really pretty pink floral birthday and all occasion cards that are perfect for friends or family and not something that you want to miss.
Now there are a lot of expert tips and tricks for everybody to try, but what are the techniques that are being highlighted this issue?
So in issue 169 your beginner's guide is on die cut gatefold cards by Marie Jones. So Marie has basically used dies such as butterflies or hearts or even a little cupcake die to create apertures in the gatefold, which just adds a bit of interest and makes them really fun to send to friends or family. There's a step-by-step guide on page 35 if you're not familiar with this technique, and there's also a bonus card on our blog, papercraftmagazines.com. Definitely worth a look, that's on page 32. And then also on page 65 we have our masterclass, which is by Vanessa Hodgson, which is on partial heat embossing, which isn't something that I've ever tried, but I was eager to get into the magazine because I thought people might like to try it in the new year if your resolution is to learn
new things,
a new crafting technique. There's a range of different looks to try in this technique. Again, there is a step-by-step guide on page 68, so if you're not familiar with it, then Vanessa can talk you through it, and again a bonus card on our blog.
Those step-by-step guides are so helpful because with like the gatefold technique, I would not even know where to begin with that, but that's great that you have the photos and the steps.
Yeah, just to get you going, because sometimes it's a bit easy to see the images rather than just the text.
And you can subscribe to Papercraft Essentials at any time, but there's an amazing subscription offer going on right now. Can you tell us more about it?
So this issue, the subscription offer is a Crafter's Companion guillotine and storage folder, which is worth £45. But you need to be quick because this offer expires on the 7th of February.
Now, if you're not quite ready to subscribe, no worries. You can pick up the individual issue, which is issue 169, and that is available from craftstash.co.uk, moremags.com.
And you can also buy it from large supermarkets, WH Smith, and independent craft retailers.
Well, thank you so much, Ria, for stopping by and sharing all about issue 169, and we'll see everybody real soon.
Bye.
Bye.